I'm at Trend House CMAI, and we are with the sir from Indian Terrain. And sir, please introduce yourself.
Hi, this is Sharath here. I'm the Managing Director of Indian Terrain.
And sir, what is the vision of Indian Terrain in?
Our vision is to continue to bring elevated style for the young adult consumer for India and continue to scale up our business, expand to markets in India. We're a very strong brand in the south and west of India, and it's our endeavor to now scale up the brand further in the east and central India and north of India.
And currently, sir, what are the new upcoming collection that Indian Terrain have introduced for the season?
For the autumn 26 collection, which is what we are showcasing now, we have a lot of exciting products. Of course, there is our flagship collection, which is the Corduroy Story, which is being interpreted in polo t-shirts, jackets, and categories that you would not imagine. And then we have introduced for the first time a unique new t-shirt collection called the Ascot Polo, which is based out of very fine and very superior modal and tensile fabrics. We also have trousers in that collection, which is a very premium trouser for an evening occasion or for something special. We have Mayfair jackets, which are superior stylish jackets meant for all day use. We have the whole new constructed collection, which is our premium collection for evening wear and special occasion use. So there's a lot of exciting products.
And one message, sir, for the Indian young entrepreneurs who.
Be very diligent and passionate about what you are going to do, because this is an industry where there is a huge amount of opportunity, but it is also fraught with a lot of risks, and therefore be very diligent about what you're doing, be very passionate about what you believe in, and stay the course. And most importantly, spend time talking to your customers. As much as you speak to them and learn from them, you will be able to find out what's unique and what makes you unique as a brand.
And sir, can we have some database of the presence of Indian Terrain in a
Yes,
national and international market?
we have 200 EBOs, exclusive stores across India. We have more than 1,000 touch points in terms of MBOs. We are present in Lifestyle, Shopper Stop, and Centro. We are available online. We sell in Myntra. We are in Flipkart. We have our own web store platform. So we're present pretty much, and we also have 2 stores in Nepal.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much for giving your precious time.
Thank you very much.